Even if we talk about the politics surrounding it, because in that self-shot video of Prajwal Ravanna, he says that he will be before the SIT at 10 a.m. on the 31st of May. His mother, meanwhile, has also applied for anticipatory bail. Imran? Well, with the investigation that is now being carried out, the SIT searches at the MP quarters of Prajwal Ravanna, Imran has been raising the question that the case that has been going on for the investigation for over a month now, why is that the searches that are taking place now? The opposition, meanwhile, has targeted the Prime Minister over the Prajwal Ravanna case, saying that rules are different when it comes to those who are connected with government and that the BJP is shielding the MP. On the other hand, BJP leaders defended the government, saying that Prajwal Ravanna himself said that he is coming back and he will be a part of the investigation.
जिस तरह के वीडियो बंगलौर में प्रचारित और प्रसारित हैं, उसके बाद वो किसी भी रहम के, दया के काबिल नहीं है। कानून के शिकंजे में वो आ चुके हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है उन पीड़ित महिलाओं को न्याय मिलेगा।
Prajwal Ravanna is an affront to Prime Minister's claim that BJP is a party which supports women's safety, which supports women empowerment. They have not cancelled the diplomatic passport, and this guy has the gall to say that he will come at an appointed time. What about the strict law enforcement?
Finally, sir, Prajwal Ravanna he's decided that he'll come back, but the Congress continues to say the centre should have made better efforts to bring him back. That hasn't happened.
Now it is too late, because ultimately he has decided to come over here. It is not because of the efforts of the state government. Only after the central government give a notice, that lookout notice, then only everything has happened. So central government has given all sorts of effort to secure the presence of Prajwal Ravanna.
All these things will come up once he surrenders, undergoes the investigation. After the investigation, if the investigating agency or the law of the land, the court should come out, that should come out through a verdict. A self-verdict, nobody is here to listen. A self-verdict cannot be given.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।